What's up, guys? Today we're going to the boat from Newport because we are on a vacation, so we are at Newport right now. And then my brother is here. Okay, so let's do it. We are going to the place that check out our ticket. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's go here, bro. Go.
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold, dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to leave.
And now we're going to check out. Check in, not check out. Check in. And then we're gonna show you the boat when we get up there, okay? And I will see you later. Bye.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out on a trip.
Okay, so this is my brother here. Yeah, I think this boat is pretty big. Oh my god. If we fall down, do I crash in the car? No problem. Oh, yay. Say hello to my brother. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, now we're just gonna see the. Now we just need to see. Put it down. Let's see what is she gonna say. Rachel. 我们可以坐这儿啊。不一样。
Welcome. If you can't hear me, you can give me one of these. But welcome aboard the Adirondack Tour. Again, my name is Rachel. I'm your captain. We'll be underway shortly, setting all four of our sails. Great news. There's a great breeze out there, and it is so.
Hello.
So that it didn't disturb the marine ecosystem, and they decided to barge in all of the workers and materials so that they weren't building it on his land. There's one thing Mr. Agassiz forgot to request, however, that comes with lighthouses.
Ooh, elephant, but it's fake. You see it? The big, fake elephant.
Big for elephant.
Yeah, it's made of wood. You see it? Ooh. And then there's also flamingo. Yeah. It's made of wood, okay? Yeah, it's fake. Yeah. So more ride to go. This ride is taking 1.5 hours. Did I tell you that? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I think I told you that, yes. Which is very long. Yeah. So it's really long, bro. My brother's riding the boat right now. You see him? Right there. Got the... Woo! Now we're almost finished. I'm not thinking that I am recording. Maybe yes. Yeah, he's seeing the people. Right there. Yeah. Right here. Nice. What a nice one. My brother's doing nice at this. See all this smile right here. Woo! I'm not going to do it though. Only my brother. Oh, he's here. Nice. Want to try to? Nah, I'm good. And then we were almost there. Look at that. Oh my god, this one looks fancy. Very cool. Racing. Oh, they're gonna race? Oh, practice. Nah, bro. Practice for race. Race boat race. Race boat. Okay. Sure. Well, we finished our ride from the boat, and that is definitely not scary. Oh no. Well, do not worry about that. And then we will see you in the next video. Bye.